So how is it this time compared to...
Mga paborito nyo isa't isa. Mari kayo lakit tayo doon yung projects na ayaw mo. Favorite niya atas.
No, we first worked together, but hi muna, hi Kim. So, we worked together in 2018 when we did Narita. And it was a very, parang challenging, difficult project. And I told myself na, sabi ko, after that one, hindi na ako, sabi ko, ayoko na, tigil-tigil ako na yung horror. And then 5 years later, more than 5 years later, eto, dumarating na naman yung Derek Caprido, may ipipitch. Sabi ko, wala siyang ibang ipipitch, hindi to drama for sure, horror. So, yan, sabi ko, okay, sige, papakinggan ko. And then, pinitch niya si Anto. Ewan ko ba? Sabi ko na lang, sige, direct pag-usapan natin. Pero hindi pa agad ako nag-guess ng name na yun. Tapos, nung pinasa ko maigi yung script, nagustuhan ko siya kasi kakaiba siya. And working with Direct kasi parang yung working relationship namin is built on trust. I super trust him as my director. What I like about him is he's very collaborative. Alam mo yung open siya to suggestions. He's open to yung insights na manggagaling sa actors niya. And also, I like his honesty too, na pag, for example, meron siyang gustong gawin sa isang scene, hindi siya magdadalawang isip na, let's try it this way or that way, ganyan. And since I super trust him, parang okay, sige, let's do it, no problem. So, I think yung relationship na meron kami.
Alright. Well, for one thing, kasi sobrang magaan ang work. Yun yung nagustuhan kay Judy, and like what she said, collaborative yung work. For me kasi, all projects, especially for films, you should be collaborative because the moment the camera roll, wala na eh. Everything is, nasa artista na. You have to give the freedom to the actor to be free to deliver her character the way she or he na nakikita niya. So, yun yung nagustuhan kay Judy. And then, ever since that work kami for Clarita, the good thing about that is hindi siya natapos sa project. Because, well, honestly, there are some projects na makakabang yung artista, and then after that, hanggang doon na lang yan. Pero yung relationship namin, it grows into a friendship, and then, na mas, kahit hindi kami kikita for a while, basta the moment na mag-text kami sa isa't isa, or nakita kami, yun, parang nakahapon lang nangyari. Yun.
Thank you. And my other question lang, Sir Gloria, nabanggit niyo po kanina na wala kayong masyadong pinakatakutan. Saan po nanggagaling yung tapang? Ever since bata po ba kayo?
I don't think it's tapang.
Or walang masyadong?
It's just that I think I can manage things, everything I can manage. And also, of course, I've worked with it twice. And I was just telling him that Mattel is making Manananggal, the Barbie doll na Manananggal. Because they texted me eh. Oh, kasi I think the movie became, just before this movie, I did really Manananggal, where in my, I always kept, mayari, and I always said, when am I going to stop making movies? Siguro when I'm already magkukulam or Manananggal, go and behold, here I am. Diba? So, yun. Hindi naman ako natatakot. When I was a little afraid when I was doing that, kasi I was
naka-harness.
At my age, parang ibibitin-bitin pa ako. Well, direct told me at that time, no, what do you mean? Mayroon kang, what do you say, double. I never saw the double. Ako yun.
Thank you. Hindi ba talaga may buto, yung tumutulog yung mga buto?
Malay ko ba, nung pagtingin mo sa, ay hindi to kaya ng double, sige, salam niyo siya.
Ginawa niya rin sa akin yan. Ginawa niya rin. Sabi mo, kung mag-alala may double ka din. Tapos ako na yung nakabitin.
Sa Clarita to?
Wala naman silang choice eh.
Wala ko pa naman mapait. Actually, alam kasi, di ba nga naman, this is really special kasi di ba last year we launched the media event Legacy, di ba? Yung Regal, where we introduced 3 important projects na kinosignal ni Mother Media. Lahat umere na ito na po yung the last movie, and same time na nag-launch tayo na introduce the new face of Regal, our executive producer. We would like to find out, Sir T, how hands-on you are dito sa production ng tatlong pelikula. Specifically, ito po Untold na, kasi number 1 po sa Netflix yung kila Lobby, tapos Tom Grosso yung Francel, and now ito na po, this is the 3rd movie na we are offering to the public. The biggest horror collaboration for the year.
Yeah. Another good question? How active am I?
I know how hands-on you are, pero saan ang galing sa'yo kasi andun ka sa stage na gutom na gutom ka into doing all these brilliant concepts, hands-on ka sa lahat, gusto mo perfect lahat.
Yeah, of course. I mean, I think every time you want to do something, you have to be hands-on.
Yeah.
And I think that was true from my time being a lawyer, my time working in tech, and it's going to be true during my time working in business. You want to make the best thing possible, you just have to be in the weeds. There's no shortcuts.
Oh yeah, in everything there's no shortcut. So Keith, how proud are you, Santo? I know Ms. Rosel has been bragging about the budget and everything. Ikaw, from technical to everything, nakikialam ka eh. How proud are you sa naging outcome na Untold nung ilang beses na panahon?
Yeah, I'm very proud of Untold. I was so impressed with everything, even from kahit na sa script reading pa lang, nakikita mo na how impressive the story and the movie was going to be. Of course, the cast is super good, and director Derek Cavido did such a great job putting the project together.
Actually, the creatives, who do you, ang ganda ng kahit. Pinasa lang ko for the first 20 minutes. Paano sasagutin ko ng pelikula? Yung kalahati hanggang magtapos, sinagot niya lahat yung connection ng bawat characters. Ang galing, even in the story of Miss Gloria Diaz na hindi na magkwento. Go ahead. Sige.
Yeah, I think Enrico Santos is a big part of that.
Oh, Malayali!
Yeah. So really working, the original story was actually with a few people, including my mom and director Derek. And then it was ECS that helped manage the project from a creative standpoint, working with us to make sure that all the storylines really come together by the end.
Alright. We get to hear from you